Hello, my name is Gloria Jala. I am a student of telecommunication and engineer. I have 26 years. I am single and live in Bogota. I will present my work of English. In my office, there is a young man named Christian. He is very tall. He uses a blue shirt that looks better than the gray shirt. Christian is nicest good guy I ever met. Christian is a smart as my boss. Christian likes to read the bigger book. He's reading the oldest book I know. Your idea is to be the reader every day. Video restaurant used modal verb. Good afternoon. A table for two, please? Yes, we have one for you. Please follow me. Can I take your seat, miss? I'll have the tomato soup to start a grilled fish. For me, a side salad. Would you like to see drink menu? It is doesn't need. We will both take lemonade. Could I have the bill, please? Of course, miss, here you have. Can I pay by credit card? I am sorry, we only admit cash. Thanks.